So this is the new dash, new used. Had a couple hairline cracks. We super glued them overnight, and then I'm gonna scratch it all up with my grinder, and then put a epoxy, a 2-part epoxy on the cracks. Hopefully that keeps them from getting bigger, and just leave a hairline. Super common on these. Can't get away with it. Get away from the cracks, unfortunately, on a used one. Pretty much 99% of them have cracks, so gotta work with what you got. Funny story, we were cleaning out the car, and while pulling all the electrical out from underneath, it was the last piece of carpet on this side to pull out, and I had some trash. Well, under a piece of rag or something that was under the seat, we found the original key. So I'm gonna put the old ignition back in, take this one back out, put the old one in, and see if that maybe is our problem. We just had to laugh out loud after finding the key, so here it goes. Okay, I got the new ignition in. The old one that we had put in there was a 2009 Chevy Avalanche. So here goes nothing. See if the security light comes on. Security light there. Boom. It's out. Let's see. Woohoo! That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. No light. That's what we like. Now to get the radio unlocked. Like a new one. Nice.
Six o'clock. I've heard nothing from Carrie in a few minutes, so we're gonna go and check out the progress. Hey.
Hey.
How's it going?
Good.
What you doing?
Got me.
Oh, wow. Looks like we have the dash in. Pretty awesome. It's looking pretty clean. Hmm.
So a little overview of the interior. Wasn't a fan of the gray dash and steering wheel and everything. So I'm putting this is going to be a 9-seater SUV. We took out the console and gonna make, I've got a black leather jump seat and putting in black leather. I kind of liked this two-tone. I could have changed it, but decided to leave it for now. That way, car guys would know, our data sheet in our glove box is the same. It's the original. I don't like changing those in case you want to look up some info on the vehicle. I'm still working on the radio, and the heater controller needs some fixing, but the steering wheel is completely put together, finished up there. Really happy with this one. I did like this model, had the controls on the steering wheel, volume for the radio, and it's an up model there. it is the 4-wheel drive, and really happy with the gauges, you know, security and all that. Got that fixed. I've got the e-brake down, so that's why it's got the brake light, but that's all working now. I've got to still work on the rear hatch. It's not working. We put one on. I think the wiring harness back there might be the wrong harness. We're gonna switch it out. Put a glass in last night on this door and the window regulator. The window switch. The driver window switch isn't working. I'm not sure if that harness is also wrong. That's the thing about having parts cars, is different models have different sensors and switches and plugs. So every once in a while, since we didn't have the original, you run into issues like that where you've got to get another one. I'm gonna have to get GM to unlock the radio, but I'm putting the navigation radio into it and hoping to put rear backup camera on the back hatch. So we'll see how that goes down in the future. Here's my leather jump seat. I'm gonna put black carpets with 3 rows of black leather. So a lot going on there. Still more to come. Thanks for watching.